I exist in a parallel to my palpable self. My perception and purpose belong to an inhuman world and exceed the barriers purposely created in civilization's realm. I know not the answers to the questions that society ponders on its design of life. Yet my mind's map and course are clear, also defined. Tainted and perplexed by the occasional drop of humankind, here I sit, me, the visual concept of a generalization. That is just the foundation of me as a person or subject of matter. But there is no boundary, as I am merely an essence, a character created by my subconsciousness.